Spring this year has got me feeling like a horse that never left the post. Check it out. I can go live with the band, and so can you.
Much better. T-shirts all day, every day, please. What's up? Sheldon Lowe here, back with another weekly hack to help get you one step closer to making your own videos like a boss. You know, nothing beats a live performance, so today I'll show you how I perform live virtually with the band. But this could totally work with acting teams if you're a teacher, really anyone who wants to do something special and live. But creativity really is the key here. So the first thing you have to understand is that I'm live, but the band is all pre-recorded. You could just create one of those box Brady Bunch videos, but I encourage you, if you can, try to dig a little deeper and make something really creative. I recommend you storyboard or plan even a loose idea of how you want the video to look in the end, because you need to leave space for everyone on screen, most importantly you, or whoever's going to appear live. When you're editing, make sure not to put anything in the part of the video where you plan to appear. What we're going to do is we're going to bring the video into OBS and put your live camera source underneath it. So the video will act like a mask over your camera source, which means you need the area you left blank to be transparent. There's really two ways to do this. One is you export the video with an alpha layer. In Final Cut, that means selecting Apple ProRes 444 when you click the share button. The problem with this method is movie files with alpha layers are enormous, and that has led to playback issues in OBS for me. So instead, I fill the empty space with a chroma green color in my video editing software. Then I import the video into OBS and put a Chroma Key filter on the video, letting OBS do the keying or the cutting out of the green. Next, you can move or resize your camera source. And lastly, if you have audio, find the channel with your video in it. Click the gear for advanced audio properties and make sure you set the audio monitoring to monitor and output. This will mean you hear the audio on your end, and so does your audience. If you're not hearing audio, you might have to go to your settings and audio tab to select which speakers you want the monitor signal to come out of. I have mine, as you can see, set to my interface. That's it. As always, if you like getting these free tips, the best way to thank me is by clicking that subscribe button and the thumbs up and comment on YouTube and Facebook. Have a boss week, and see you soon. What's up? Sheldon Lowe here, back with another weekly hack. What's up? Sheldon Lowe back. Oops, God, come on.